Today I want to show you a little trick with the NitroCap plugin. It can be found if you have purchased it in extensions NitroCap. I'll take it out. So NitroCap closes holes like this here, and it is able to make quadrangles and is a very nice little plugin I use really often. So if you want, for example, making the eyes of this character, normally you would make a sphere, make it a little bit smaller because my character is rather small. Put it where the eyes are, a little bit smaller, and then you will put it in the direction where the eyeball would lay in. Smaller. Okay, that's for a moment. As you can see, a sphere is rather round. This makes a little bit an alien look or something like that, and you have very big difficulties if you want to pose more of the eyelids to close them for twinkling or something like that. And that is difficult because an eyeball inside of a face is rather flat. So you need a good flat surface for the eyeball, and that's where NitroCap does a great job. I'll show you. So I go to the character, to the line mode, like that. And here the line is already chosen. I'll choose it again with UL. You can make a loop like that. Now you can convert this loop with mesh, converting edge selection to spline. There it is. And you can extrude it. They have changed the extruding tool by Maxon with the newest release. So we're not taking auto, we're taking the Z axis, not that long, a little bit smaller. Doesn't matter how small it is. And we don't want caps here because we want to make the caps with the Nitro plugin. So as you can see, I take it in the solar mode, like that. As you can see, there's kind of a tube that is our eye. We're gonna converting this to a mesh with this here, or press C. Now we have a mesh. Now it's where the fun begins with NitroCap. I'll take NitroCap and I hover over the end of this tube and I click. As you can see now, it makes a nice surface, but it doesn't look like an eye at all. It is convex on the one side, and that's not what we want. But we can trick a little bit with this here. So I'm gonna smooth this cap. I did later on. First I'm gonna subdividing it so that there are quadrangles at every side. It's here. Now I have quads, very nice. And now I'm gonna smoothing it down to 100%. And as you can see, I have kind of an eyeball that's looking outwards. So Nitro has done its job. Now you can take your brushes and take flattening. I think it's flattening in English. And you can now flatten this down as much till you have the eyeball you want to have. Okay, could be a little bit harder, a little bit more like that. Now you see I'm going to flatten this down. Okay, be careful, this shouldn't happen. Not taking the edges like that till you have a shape you like. I'm going out of the solo mode and taking this eyeball, centering the axis to the eye, and there it is. Now you can flatten it like you want, and you have a perfect match for your eyeball. A little bit work is to do, but now you can see it, and now you don't have any problems with post-morphing the lids. Okay, that was it. Hope you can use this video and have enjoy working with the NitroCap tool. Bye bye. Thank you. This was Benjamin.